Today's May 18th, 2019, and this is episode 137 of PlaneSavers! Jeez. Thank you, everybody. It's Saturday. It's a Saturday here in the hangar, and I can't. And Stella, what's happening?
Look at Pierre, he's at the nose up.
Bonjour, Pierre.
Hello.
Oh, jeez. What's going on up here?
We are listening all the instruments that we can interface with the AvGeeks. So
if you guys
show you something within a minute.
Oh, sweet, sweet. So we get some avionics in today. Very, very cool. William, what's going on?
Trying to do a little bit of sheet metal.
Avionic guy doing sheet metal.
Engine engineer.
Working with his head.
So guys, the important part of the tail cone is actually, believe it or not, that's the last thing that's going to be installed because of all the rigging. But we can't put on the rudder lock without the tail cone. So that's why the tail cone comes on and off. And there was a couple misaligned holes that they're working out on that. But today, folks, big day. Wings on. Well, you probably know better than I do because it's probably in the thumbnail. But are we going to get the wings on today? Dun, 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 we don't know. So, yeah. So a lot of people, actually, especially a lot of people that are just joining us, with the wings on, we won't fit in here. So we're going to have to say goodbye to the hangar. But there is another hangar that we might fit in. So if everything goes good, I think we're going to try, if we get the wings on today, we're going to try to put it in the hangar so we can be in the bigger hangar, which is kind of cool. So Trent, what's happening?
Just opening the doors. We're gonna pull DTD outside and start equipping her with her wings again. So I'm just opening the door, and then we're gonna drag it around the corner. Ronnie's got the wings, the right wing all getting slinged up and ready to attach. So we are, it's kind of a monumental moment because hopefully this is the last time this airplane ever comes back inside this hangar forever and ever. So not that it's we don't want her the treatment here has been really good, so but when she's one step forward to wings on, that's a good sign. And then we're gonna later today get put to the test and try and get it into a hangar that's the door opening is less than the wingspan, so that'll be interesting. More to come later.
That's awesome. Again, if we are successful, this is the last time this aircraft will be in this hangar. And thank you to William's mom for dropping off some goodies. That was very cool. And yeah. So, oh, and Spaghetti Don's wife, thank you for making all the nuts and bolts, trail mix kind of stuff. Very good, very tasty. I'm already full. So we're getting a lot of support from family members. And I just can't wait to get this thing outside. Okay, folks, as you can see, we are now outside. The right wing is going on. Benoit hasn't polished this one yet, but we're gonna put the right wing on, left wing, and then you can see way over there. If we get done in time, we're gonna try to see if we can fit it in that hangar. The kicker is that the doors are shorter than the wingspan of the airplane. So we'll see Trent's mastering skills with the tug. We'll see if you can fit her in. That's kind of the bet. Place your bets now, folks. Will this thing, can we get the wings done? Can we get it in the hangar? I don't know, but it is a good Saturday. Paparazzi.
We're gonna have to, this wingtip's gonna have to go a long ways up to the angle, and then the trailing edge is gonna go down.
And so if we need someone on the back and the front,
Somebody will have to be on the back.
The notion's going to be to run underneath while you're doing it. Don't do that.
Never
please.
go under it.
Go all the way around the extra time or through the underneath.
Can we go, yeah, underneath the
You
plane?
can go under
go
there,
underneath.
but make sure you go under that flat panel, not the wing. Okay?
Okay.
Because and we're not in a big panic here. We just want to take our time and do things right, and safe is the number one priority.
Don't get hurt, there's too much paperwork.
Too much. Great.
So once he lifts up, backs away, we'll grab all the Relax for a second. Okay, relax. Just let it go. Okay, Ronnie, come up slow. Slow. Okay, hold on. Okay, pull up. Okay. Now push down on the tip and up on this. Whoa, stop right there, please. Okay, up slowly, Ronnie. I said please. Come up slowly. A little more. Okay, hold her right there. Whoa. Now, just, okay, side shift it a bit. Whoa. Whoa, right, hold it right there. Oh. Okay, so leading edge up. Get her close. Yep, just like that. Keep going. There we go. Okay, keep coming up. Look cool.
We're helping it fly.
We're putting that wingtip to a test there.
Sure.
Now, trailing edge that way. Okay, up. Up. Whoa, second.
Grab a pole.
Hold on. Oop. Put your hand over there with my special fingers. Okay, side shift it some more. Perfect. Keep coming. There we go. It's coming.
Is it coming?
Yeah, come forward a bit more. Good.
Perfect.
Whoa. Hold her there. I'm gonna put it in this one.
Yeah, get some. How's that lined up?
There.
You good? No.
Let me just get it started by 1 or 2 threads.
Alright.
And then that way it still gives flexibility. Kind of
Tip to the back.
tip to the back. Oh, thank you. It's like this punch is staring me in the face. I'm like, what the heck? It's magic. Okay. Alrighty, so you should be able to relax there a bit. And take well, we'll leave that in, but you might, when I call for it, you might want to just pull it out of there, and we'll come from this side here. Okay? So if I ask, just kind of back and forth like this to kind of give some guidance. I'm going to go back up on top. And all right. Can I get a couple more bolts, please? There's somebody there?
How's it going on, Ronnie?
Oh, good so far. We're just lining all the bolts. The first of the bolts, we're just lining them up. First wing going back on the right one.
The exhaust pipe?
If we,
Okay. Up, 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 up. Whoa, second.
grab a bolt.
Hold on.
Get your hands over there.
My special fingers.
How close you are to sticking a bolt in?
Not very. We are. Can you side shift it a bit?
Yeah, yeah.
My way? Not yet, no. About a half inch, 3/4. Keep coming. Yeah, keep just like that. Like it's almost like it grew here. Okay, don't move.
Get a bolt in there, then you can
Nuts to the outboard or inboard at the top? Nuts to the outboard or inboard at the top?
inboard.
Inboard?
Or on the bottom. So grab the bolt in.
So Trent, what's it like? We got the first bolts in?
Yep, she's lined up pretty good. We've got the one of the critical things that tends to get forgot once in a while is the flap push-pull tube. You got to go in the right hole. Ronnie is saying he had an issue where there's a lightning hole right behind it where the two rollers are, and if you can get it, if you accidentally get it in there, then you got to pull the wing all the way off again to get it fit. So, how tight do we go, Ronnie?
No.
Before we put any in the bottom?
Yo, I'll just run about 12 of them in there, a dozen.
Yeah, we'll just leave them a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, go about every.
All right, this one's just temporary, eh?
Yeah, yeah. We're just lining everything up right now.
So there you go, folks. One wing almost on. Some of the nuts and bolts are putting on right now are kind of temporary just to line it all up. And then, yeah, doesn't she look nice? Don, welcome back.
Oh, hey. How you doing, Mikey?
You having fun?
Yeah, it's been a good day. Meeting the other volunteers and getting oriented.
You got one of the shirts on?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And
Oh, and the hoodie?
ready? Yeah, yeah. So
Getting all the wing bolts.
yeah, that's right.
Okay, so if we've got volunteers wanting to start putting bolts all the way in, make sure there's a washer under the head, and we just pound them all in first, and we can throw the nuts on after. So go ahead and start grabbing handfuls, and make sure they're all the same length. And just worry about in the middle here. Good hammer. Get your own hammer. Oh, here, I got one.
Yeah, in between there and there.
Because the angles are thicker there, and then we change to a different length of bolt.
Well, we're gonna put double washer now.
Right.
See this? Like this one here, right?
Okay. Alrighty. So she's bolt all together time. So Ronnie, you want to run the crew on the bottom here, and I'll get a couple bodies up top, and we'll just start throwing bolts
Need
in.
more washers. Put up.
Trent, you happy how the first one went
Oh,
on?
it's easy. This is the first one I've ever been involved in there. So Mr. Ronnie there knows his stuff. He's done, I think, a couple hundred of them in his career.
Well, folks, I'm excited. The wing is on. Everything's going good. Now the left-hand wing, the wing that Benoit polished, we're going to go and get that one ready to get put out and put on as well. There she is, folks. All the hard work, all that time. Look at that. We got wings on, folks. That is huge, huge. That's the last big milestone, visual milestone that we have before June 6th. This is huge. And I just want to take this time to thank all the volunteers, everybody that came out, spending all their Saturdays, all their Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, every single day of the week coming out to get this done. This is absolutely amazing. And I'm going to end the episode here, folks. I don't know if we're going to make it into the new hangar or not right now. We're just going to have to figure that out and find out on the new or on tomorrow's episode. I want to get this episode out for you guys so you can see and celebrate with all of us in almost real time. So you have a great day. I hope you're having an amazing Saturday, Sunday, or whatever year in the future you're watching this. And yeah, thank you. Bye.